Yo, what's good, everybody? I hope you guys are all doing well. My name is Tank. This is the IBC Gang channel. Today, we're a little bit late with our stream. Nonetheless, we're going to be streaming today and talking about what's happening out there in the crypto landscape. We're going to be checking out the charts. We're going to be giving you guys our 2 cents about what we think about what's happening on the charts. We're also going to be diving into what's happening on social media. There's a lot of interesting things actually developing, especially within the Cosmos ecosystem, that I would like to talk about. Some cool things, some very interesting things, some some usual stuff. I don't want to call it bad or whatever it is, but it is what it is. Before we get into that, I do want to say thank you guys for sticking with me. I was actually traveling over the past weekend and coming back in today. We actually just landed a little while ago. Got home, threw on my jiu-jitsu gi and ran straight to class because I was like, all right, let's get it. It was a very surprisingly bumpy ride today. And it was a very, very short flight. It was about an hour flight. And it was like the worst turbulence in a while. Not the worst I've ever had, but in a while. So yeah, it was not that enjoyable. Nonetheless, we're here, we're alive, right? We're able to do our thing. I do want to give a humongous shout out to everybody in chat. What's up, Ambito? What's going on, man? What's going on? I also want to give a quick shout out to my channel sponsors. If you guys don't know, kujira.network is a channel sponsor of ours. Absolutely love them. They've been doing fabulous things within the crypto landscape, more specifically within the Cosmos ecosystem, though, but like in general, within the whole entire crypto landscape. It's the place that is empowering a decentralized economy for all. It is the place for people looking for sustainable fintech to come and play, right? They have so many arms and appendages on their platform when it comes to Kujira. I highly suggest that you guys go check them out. If you are looking for something to do in DeFi and you can't find it on Kujira, like it's coming soon, and or like just like, well, yeah, it's coming soon. It's probably there or it's coming soon. So yeah, check out kujira.network, guys. Great team, great project, great community. Nothing but love for them. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. The next one I give a humongous channel sponsor shout out to is Jackal Protocol. If you guys don't know about Jackal Protocol, you guys definitely need to check them out as well. Because if you're a content creator, whether you produce NFTs, whether you produce content on social media, whatever it is, right? You want to be backing up your content. We've been seeing people left and right get like just basically banned and get all of their content, all their hard work just taken from them, ripped from their chest, and just thrown at the wayside. So if you're not having that stuff backed up, guys, you're going to be, SOL. One thing that I like to do is I like to actually back up all of my things physically, but I also like to have backups of my backups, and Jackal Protocol allows me to do that on chain for relatively cheap. And Jackal Protocol has been doing really good as far as like what they've been doing on the charts. So we'll talk about that in a little bit, but check out Jackal Protocol if you guys are looking to back up your backups or looking to back up your content or service or product, that whatever you're putting out there, right? I think it would be very smart. There is a huge, what is that? There's a huge bug flying around here. What the hell was that? It's like Mothra flew out of nowhere. What the hell? Sorry about that. Oh, there it is. It's a ladybug. I got it. It's a ladybug. Hold on. It's going to be good luck. Check it out. Oh, no, you guys can't see that. Hold on. Can you guys see this? See that little ladybug? Go on, little ladybug. Go on. You don't want to be with me. Put you in the trash. Maybe you'll find your way out of there. All right. Save the ladybug's life. Look at me being a nice person. Ladybugs, guys, they're everywhere, right? Are they like invading your home too? It's warm again. So like they're like, oh, let's get it. Everything is about to break support, or this is local bottom. Hard to know. But yeah, we'll go check it out in just a little bit, Ambito. Let me really quickly move on to our last channel sponsor. Last but not least, I should say, and that is Shade Protocol, guys. Again, I've kind of I've given you guys my 2 cents about privacy, and I've given you guys my thoughts about it. Nonetheless, though, Shade Protocol has many things that you guys can take advantage of. They're doing very, very interesting things within the landscape of crypto as well. Partnering with really, like, of course, they just did something with Kujira and stuff like that. Partnering with the right people, the right teams and stuff like that. And again, this is one of those things where it's like I like to promote them because if you know and understand privacy, like I do, you know, you're probably more than likely going to be benefiting from that feature going forward. Now, a lot of people they like to preach and like to promote and like to idolize like the thought of like, you know, real true privacy, and I do too. I do too. Don't get me wrong, but the people that know how to use it, the tools, are the people that are going to really go far, and Shade Protocol allows you to actually have those tools available. And so I support them because they allow you to do so. Check out shadeprotocol.io. I definitely would recommend them, guys. With that being said, we are going to get into the charts. Guys, yeah, the charts looking like what they're looking like, right? Let's actually go take a look at those real quickly. Let's see here. Let's go take a look at TradingView real quick. And we're not even starting off on the super charts. We're gonna just take a look at the general view of what's happening out there in the markets. The Dow Jones traditional markets is where we're going to start off, right? Down 0.58%. The Nasdaq is down 0.18. The Russell is down 1.04. I like to think that Russell is the leading indicator when it comes to the indexes. It moves like the hardest before everything else. And so like if the Russell moves that hard, probably tomorrow it's going to move for the other three indexes relatively equally as hard. SPX is down 0.23% right now. If you go and take a look at the super charts, right, as they like to call it, you can go take a look at the super charts here. The Dow, you can see the Dow is still doing pretty good. Like if you look at the Dow on the traditional markets, right? Again, we're on the daily time frame. We're using Market Cipher as our favorite oscillator indicator tool of choice. From the low here, you see this trend line that we have? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it broke through, but it's all about averages, right? We project out here. 1, 2, 3. It broke up out of it again, and then look how the 50 SMA is sitting on it. Look how the 50 SMA is kind of sitting on. So I'm just watching to see for the Dow Jones if it comes back down to this and just kind of bounces, or if it threads through a little bit. Basically, I'm just being patient. Still, like we're making all-time highs in the traditional market. What's up, JR? RJ Fresh, I should say. We're making moves every single day, it seems like, but definitely every week. So all-time highs for the traditional market. So like, who's to complain, right? Who's to complain? It looks good. It looks really, really good. NASDAQ, basically the same thing. Like, look, we're at all-time highs. If you zoom out, like just look at that. We're on all-time highs. Cup and handle pattern definitely played out. Like 50 SMA all the way down here. We have a trend line here, which was the old trend line of support. If you project it out here and kind of like just throw it out there, you can kind of, I know, again, apologies guys, there's a lot of stuff on these charts right now, but you can see previous support, right? Boom, boom, boom. Usually does hold up as somewhat resistance. Look at here, we cut through, came back up, resistance, right? Every single time that we come up to it and look at it, resistance, right? Good thing is we're threading underneath it, and we're staying close to that old trend line that we had here that once was support. So again, when and if we do break above that, I think a big move is going to happen for the NASDAQ. But I could see this kind of holding us underneath that previous support for a while, right? So just something to take a look at, something to project out and watch. What's up, Snoop? Snoop. How you doing, man? Some good old coffee. Guys, I was drinking airlines coffee, so it was there. The Russell, I'm watching for 188.87. Again, guys, previous resistance holding up again. We're in this channel of sorts, right? Kind of told you guys this before for the Russell. We're in this channel of sorts. It's still holding up. So we're just kind of ping-ponging within this channel. Same old stuff. Let's move to the SPX. Same thing for the SPX, guys. All-time highs, like zoom out when in doubt, right? All-time highs. It's perspective, guys. That's all it really is. Excuse me. I'm also I didn't project that out. Shit. Snoop says, doing good. Hope you're well. Been a while since I've been watching, been checking up on the YouTube. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Yeah, it's I don't want to say my focus wasn't here. It's always been here. I haven't strayed away. Like I've been pretty active still, but like, when things get boring, like I understand. The bear market's boring for a lot of people, including myself. It's pretty fun though. The S&P 500 previous support right here, right? Previous support right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm still going to cut this, even though it cut through, I'm still going to count this as overall support right here, right? 1, 2, 3. And then like, I'm watching this trend line. I'm just watching this trend line. Price can come all the way down. But if you look at this, right, long term, we're still doing our thing on this trend line. So when in doubt, zoom out. Let's take a look at a couple of other things real quickly. The DXY is interesting to me. It came back up to 104.63. We're just below it right now. I would prefer it to kind of just stay in this sideways zone, right? Yes, we did cut above it right here, but I would prefer it to stay in this channel of sorts here. That's what I'm hoping. And then also, let me show you guys here. Look at this channel. Let's project this out just a little bit here, right? If we get rejected off this, confirmation for me. Confirmation for me for the DXY. Boom. Comes down here and it kind of keeps doing its thing here. That would be bullish as hell for investments. Let's get into Bitcoin because I know you guys are here for Bitcoin. I want to kind of fly through a couple of things, guys. I want to fly through things. And then I want to go check out AXV. I want to go check out Astroport. Not Astro. I'm sorry. Ooh, excuse me, Eric. Excuse me, Ethan. Why everybody got to have the same sounding thing? ASTROVAULT. Excuse me. Excuse me. Very different. Very different. I saw that coming a mile away with the Chinese markets. They're ready for collapse for a while. Been so fed up with work. I hear you, buddy. Thoughts on Manta would be really nice to hear. Yeah, cool. Let's get into it. Everything getting hit. Even look at this. Silver, gold, everything getting hit right here. Copper, PAS. Ooh, man. Glad I took some profits. Got to be a profit taker, guys. I'm going to buy some more silver, though. If it keeps coming down. Look at this. Look at this silver. Oh, let's go to the monthly. Look at the silver chart. This is a huge cup and handle pattern. And it's sitting right now on the handle. Man, come on. Play out. Play out for me. Please play out for me. All right, let's take a look at things right now. Total is down 0.13%. It's at $1.58 trillion. Total 2 is up actually 0.17. So everything excluding Bitcoin, not doing bad. It's kind of flat right now, right? Oh, I will say on the daily time frame for total 2, you do see a blood diamond flashing right here. Not good. The last time we saw blood diamonds, right? If you go back test these for total 2, not good. With market cipher, boom, blood diamond here, blood diamond here. What happened? We had a downfall. Let's take a look. Blood diamond here. Yeah. 3 out of 3, or 2 out of 3 right now. Back testing, not good. Blood diamond. Whoop, there we go. You guys heard it from Tank first, right? 1, boop. 2, boop. 3, boop. Not good. We got one right now flashing on the daily. Right now. Blood diamond. Whoop. That one wasn't that bad, but still. Total 3, everything excluding ETH and Bitcoin. Let's see what we can see. I do show a red dot right now flashing, which is a little bit better than a blood diamond. A blood diamond is worst case scenario up here, right? But rounding RSIs, curving down to the downside on the daily time frame. Money flow weakening here with the chartreuse color. Money flow weakening as well as the RSIs as well, right? Got a red sell signal right now. We're still in the deep money flow being represented by the chartreuse color. You can see that on the green color here, or chartreuse or whatever you want to call it. But you can see that kind of declining. So be careful, my friends. Be careful. careful. Bitcoin down 0.42%. Same thing. Let's take a look at market cipher B first before we take a look at anything else. You can see the RSIs on the daily time frame both clearly coming down right now. You can see that right here, and they're both clearly coming down. Same thing with money flow, right? Look at that money flow just weakening and weakening and weakening right now. We don't have a red trigger sell dot or anything like that. We did actually have one yesterday. We had one yesterday, so it actually might be confirming today. You see that right there? See that red dot? I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, so everything I need to see right there in front of me. We need to hold above, preferably 40, but if we go down to test 38 again and make a double bottom, that'd be really cool. A double bottom will look like this right here, right? Let's be real about it. It wouldn't be the end of the world. We gotta go through the suck to make the bullish confirmations happen, right? But it'd be like 1, 2, double bottom, big W win, right? Maybe then we make a push to 46 and we break it. Wouldn't it be that bad? So just thoughts about it, right? If you go and take a look at the fibs that I've drawn out for you guys here, you can see that the fibs are still in play right now. The 0.5 right here, sitting right at just about 40,000. I think that'll probably be a good level of support. But then again, guys, I'm telling you guys, I'm looking for the golden ratio. I'm looking for the golden pocket. I'm sorry, not the golden ratio, the golden pocket right here, which just lines up with the 200 SMA on my charts between the 0.65 and the 0.618. Again, that's right here between that 33 to 36,000. I know nobody's going to want that, but if we dip, momentum could take us there, and I think that's where we'll get support. That's it with Bitcoin. Still trend intact. Guys, the halving is coming. It's coming. We're close. We're super close. Look at this. You see that line right there? It's in April. It's not far. Let's go. All right. Ethereum basically flat, trying to hold at $2,300. That's at $22.92. I think it's super interesting. Look, I'm looking at, I showed you guys with my eyeballs, right? Look how previous resistance holding up, right? I'm looking to enter again on the 200 SMA. Adam, right now, I told y'all, I freaking told y'all, right? Be patient. I told you, look for the 200 SMA. Not that it might not even hold up, but if it doesn't hold up, we're just watching. We're just watching this zone right here, right? We've been patiently watching that. Once we broke down this structure, we got to be patient. We got to watch. It's right about $8.60. And then if that doesn't hold up, $7.50, $6.15, $4.60, and yes, 80 cents. That's your Atom token for you, my friends. Kujira, $3.09 right now. It's up 0.67%. I told you guys before that I was looking for these yellow lines right now. This is my first buy, my first feeler buys, right? And then I also told you guys, like, even though they're a channel sponsor, I'm going to keep it real, guys. I'm going to keep it real. This is like the yellow lines. That's where I've been pointing out to you guys for a long time. Be patient, wait for them, DCA appropriately, not financial advice. You got to do you, follow your own like rules of engagement and stuff like that. But I've been showing you guys where I'm interested. I'm going to stick with it, man. If I go too fast, you guys let me know. Jocko right now, I'm looking for this trend line right now. It's sitting on its 50 SMA, and it might not pass it. It might not pass it at all. But I'm looking for this trend line right here, right about 26 cents. And then I'm looking for the yellows, 23, 18, 13, 200 SMA, right between 13 and 18. So it's probably like around 15. Yeah, 15, 5. Jocko's strong. I like Jocko. Stars right now down 0.59%. It's still above. It's like, look, if you guys look at this, guys, again, yellow lines. I'm still watching the yellow lines, right? All of them. Trend line right now, DCA zones. I'm still waiting. What's up, chicken tacos? Manta. Is there anything else you guys want to hear in the Cosmos ecosystem? Or just in general, just let me know. Is Manta on TradingView? Just got home. Nice. How's your day going, man? I'm upstairs. Streaming. Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. My kids just got home. Ooh, I gotta make this fast. I got an important call that I'm missing right now. But hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Let's do this real fast, guys. I gotta jump off, but I want to do this real fast. If you guys don't know, I saw some information about ASTROVAULT. Let's go check them out. Let's go check them out real quick, guys. Yeah, leave that side. Let's go. I gotta check to see what wallet I'm on. Yeah, check it. Contract address. Guys, go check your ASTROVAULT. I heard through the grapevine that I gotta get this one, guys. I gotta go. I'm sorry. I gotta go. I love you guys to death. Don't forget to like the video. Important phone calls. I gotta make money. Bye.